If you've been trying to generate videos with Sora 2, you have almost inevitably run into this error many times. We currently do not support uploads of images containing photorealistic people. Basically, anytime you upload a picture of a real person, you'll get hit with this and Sora won't make the video for you. This is because an AI initially scans your upload to detect if there's any real people. The closest thing I've found to getting around this is to first convert the image of the person you want into a realistic-looking video game style. So games like The Sims or GTA, Grand Theft Auto. You can do that for free by using Google's Nano Banana model in Google AI Studio or the Gemini app.
Now I'll take that Sim-style image of the same person and upload it to Sora, along with a caption about a video game character. And it was not blocked, and a video was generated. If the person you're trying to use is a famous person, usually even a video game version of them will get blocked, and you'll need an additional step.
Overlay the image with this kind of text that says the image is not photorealistic, which you can do in Canva or any image editing app. The idea here is that the initial AI scan of your uploaded image won't think it's photorealistic because the video game style is not realistic enough and because it will read the text on the image. And here are the type of results you can get from doing this method. I've tried images with and without the text, and only the one with the text worked, so it does make a difference.
This is not foolproof, as you may still get blocked for some videos, and there will be some trial and error, but you can definitely make some videos this way.